Good morning, student. I am Dr. Rita Kumari, Department of Zoology, DAV PG College, Siwan. My topic is endocrine disorders for TDC Part 2 students. In this topic, I am only explaining about pituitary gland. Pituitary gland is a reddish gray, small, oval-shaped structure situated in the base of the brain, in the sella turcica of sphenoid bone. It is also known as smallest endocrine gland, called as master gland. It is considered as orchestra of endocrine system. Parts of pituitary glands are adenohypophysis or anterior lobes, also known as pars distalis, middle lobe, pars intermedia, and neurohypophysis or posterior lobe, also known as pars nervosa. In human, pars intermedia is almost merged with pars distalis. Secretion of hormone. The anterior lobe of pituitary gland secrete 6 important hormones. These are growth hormone, prolactin, thyroid stimulating hormone, luteinizing hormone, FSH, follicular stimulating hormone, and ACTH, adrenocorticotropic hormone. Middle lobe secrete only one hormone, melanocyte stimulating hormone, and posterior lobe secrete oxytocin and vasopressin, also known as ADH, antidiuretic hormone. The disorders of pituitary glands are either due to the hypersecretion or hypersecretion of hormone. Hormone is a organic compounds secreted from the endocrine gland, transported by blood to the target cell where it performs different function. It plays a very important role in growth and development of human beings. If any disorders like the secretion of hormone is hypersecretion or the secretion of hormone is hypo, then different types of diseases may be takes place. Some one are as follows. Number 1, hyposecretion of growth hormones causes dwarfism. It is due to the deficiency of growth hormone secretion during the childhood. There is a decrease in linear growth and the height becomes short. The head is small, having small circumference and prominent forehead. There is a delayed skeletal maturation and the small genitalia is present. Second is the hypersecretion of growth hormone. Hypersecretion of growth hormone causes acromegaly, also known as gorilla-like appearance. High secretion of growth hormone after adolescence and excess in adult causes acromegaly, in which overgrowth of jaws, malar bone, and the supraorbital ridges may be takes place, caused by the pituitary adenoma, large hand and feet, excessive sweatening, large tongue with deep furrows is present. All metabolic organs like heart, lungs, liver, pancreas, spleen become enlarged, and there is a coarsening in the facial features with aging. This is a figure of dwarfism. This is the figure of acromegaly. Next is the giantism. This is the excessive secretion of growth hormone in young children. It has to be noted that the acromegaly is the excessive secretion of growth hormone in adult, and giantism is the excessive secretion of growth hormone in young children. There is increased linear growth, height may be 7 to 7.5 feet, but normal mental status and the metabolism. This is the figure of giantism. Now, dysfunction of acidophilic cells of pars distalis causes. There are two important types of cells are present in pituitary gland, acidophilic cell and basophilic cell. Some chromophobe cells are also present. Now, dysfunction of acidophilic cells of pars distalis causes acromicria. This is caused by the hypoactivity of acidophilic cell of pars distalis. It's occur in adult. It is antithesis of acromegaly Bone of face, hand and feet are small. Loss of hair and sexual function, but this disease is very rare. Now, dysfunction of basophilic cell of pars distalis causes Cushing disease. There is not confusion maybe takes place in between the Cushing disease and Cushing syndrome. Cushing syndrome is due to the abnormal secretion in adrenocorticotropic hormone. In Cushing disease, which is caused due to the hyperactivities of basophilic cell, the basophilic adenoma of pituitary gland occur here. There is excessive deposition of fat over supracondylar fossa, back of the neck, abdomen. Face become moon face. In male, excessive hair growth known as hirsutism maybe takes place, and the male become impotence. In female, masculinization with growth of beard and mustache maybe takes place. Amenorrhea and sterility may be found. There is osteoporosis of bone maybe takes place. Hypertension is seen in few patients, and hyperglycemia and glycosuria are seen. Hyperglycemia is the increased concentration of glucose in blood, and glycosuria is increased concentration of glucose in urine. Now, hyposecretion of antidiuretic hormone from posterior lobe of pituitary gland. This causes diabetic insipidus. This is due to the hyposecretion of antidiuretic hormone. There is intense thirst and polyuria, inability to concentrate urine. There is formation of large volume of dilute urine. This antidiuretic hormone help in the absorption of water in the renal tubules. When the ADH not proper function, then the proper absorption of water from the urinary tract not maybe takes place. This lead to the formation of large volume of dilute urine. All these are about the disorders of pituitary gland. Thank you. In my next topic, I will take about thyroid gland, pancreatic glands and other rest endocrine glands. Again, thank you.